Hey, how is everybody? I got a red tongue. It's your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, and I bet you can't guess what flavor Kool-Aid I had. The red kind. It's amazing how the silliness of the intro is all going into what I have to say, or in my choice of our video star for week number 4. This lady is absolutely entertaining. She's a wonder of entertainment. And it's simply because she's so real. She's so upfront and real. I started watching her probably about 6 months ago. I have not found any videos of her that date back past 2 years. I know that she is on YouTube and Instagram, and I absolutely love her. Oh my goodness. Again, if I'm not mistaken, and I should know as much as I watch her. Oh my God, I should know. But she crochets. She does Tunisian crochet. She knits. She sews. She's amazing. She's amazing. She's a creator. Her favorite thing to crochet is shawls. That's her comfort genre. And she loves yarn. And even though I don't know her last name, I'm sticking with the J's, y'all. I'm sticking with the J's. Okay? Well, her name is Jackie. And her handle is Crochet HD. I always want to put a different 8 in there. I always say Crochet ADHD. No, it's Crochet HD. That's CROCH 80 HD. She's a crocheter. She speaks of things from the 80s, and she has ADHD. And to watch her is an absolute delight. It has been for me. I find myself laughing. I find myself laughing to the point of tears. I'm serious. And she's absolutely amazing. She really, really is. I can sit here and talk all night, and every other sentence is going to be she's absolutely amazing, because she is. I'm telling you guys, she is. Her creations are bomb diggity. And if you don't understand what that means, her creations are the Ishnit. Okay? Her creations are astonishing. They really, really are. Okay, my red flavored Kool-Aid. There's some in here, y'all. I think I'm going to find it. That was so good. Yes. Now back to Miss Jackie. I love watching her videos because I know that I'm going to bed with a light heart. I look at her at night, especially after a stressful day, because it's a way of lifting all of the heaviness that I've been through that day. It's a way of just kind of laughing it away and putting it aside, folding it up, putting it in the drawer for somewhere later on. And she goes through books and patterns and makes. She has this routine where she shows you her make supposedly for the month, but it ends up being for the past 6 to maybe 8 weeks. You know how we do as creators. Don't act like you don't. You know. You've been there. Okay? Now let's reel that back in. Okay. But anyway. But she'll show you her makes, she'll show you her whips, she'll share her ideas, and it's just amazing to see someone so open from the positive end, you know. And don't get me wrong, I look at the ones from the negative. I can identify, you know what I'm saying? I love those people who, let me put it to you like this. If you're cheery for the sake of your audience, you can almost miss me with that. If you're cheery because that's just you, or it's a coping mechanism, or it's if it's anywhere along those lines, you know, as long as it's authentic, it's cool. I will watch you. I will rep you. I will do all of that. But I just can't get with the fakeism. I can't. You know, the say 2 words and giggle, the say 3 more words and giggle, you know, or, and I those who, and don't get me wrong again, but if you're not always showing that happy, as long as the you that you're presenting is you. Real identifies with real. That's what you call keeping it real. So that's what we do. But this isn't about me. This is about Jackie. Check out the rhyming. So yes, guys, please go check out her channel. Subscribe to her channel. Hit those, watch videos. Watch whole videos. Don't just skim through. Watch the whole video. You know, put on what I have done. I go to her channel and I start with the oldest video. And then I just push play. And they start from then. Sometimes you might have to go back at the end of the video and skip to back. You can't do it from the opposite way. You can't do it from the most recent all the way up to the first. That's up to you. Please forgive the ball bouncing in the back. I don't condone, but your mom does. So yeah, it's okay. As long as they're not hurting anything, and they're not. So like I said, let's give Jackie her props. Let's be there and support one another. And don't forget along the way to be bold, be brave, be of love, and most of all, behave. And until we see each other again on these YouTube streets, Kitty loves you.